Alright everyone, today we'll be going over adding graphic displays and modifying application settings. So what you're going to need to do is first open your FactoryTalk View Studio. So making this video, I'm assuming that you have some previous knowledge or worked with it a little bit. This is super introductory. I won't be going in details, but this is to give an idea of like how to modify graphics and modify display setting. So once you open it, you'll be prompted with a page of what do you want to open. So we're going to be working with the cookie demo of an intro because I've already worked with that, and that's what there. If you notice that the dialog may contain additional applications that are not shown here. So you're gonna open that application. It takes some time, but it'll open it. Takes time to load, but it'll load. So if you want to add an existing display into the application, what you're going to need to go is expand displays. By clicking on the container and clicking the expander from the pane window, which is this. Right click, add component to application. And then you're going to want to browse where that application is. So for me, I have it in my local file. Lab file, intro, and then VUME, and then main. You're going to want to open that. And then once you've opened it, you'll notice that's in the main right here. So if you click it, do you see it opens up? We're going to be using the find and replace, modify each one of these graphic displays. So what you're going to need to do is you are going to need to click on this button right here, which is replace. And we're going to be replacing line 1. And you have to select what do you want to replace it with. We want to replace it with cookie demo. You can do it singly or you can do it all. And it'll replace all of those tags. And you'll be prompted with you sure you want to update it? Yes. and then it lets you know that, hey, all these have been updated. And you're going to want to close the window, file, save, and then once you've saved it, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to modify application startup setting. So the way you do that is you go in your pane, you go in startup. After you click it, the window will open. Okay. If you notice that the components that can be configured to run when the application starts is all in here. So we're going to go here, take the main window, and we're going to put it over here. And then once that's there, we're going to put OK. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to confirm application project setting. And the way we do that is we open a project setting dialog, double clicking the project setting in the system container. So, which is this over here. You're going to confirm the window size is proper. For me, I'm doing 1280 by 800, and you're going to make sure that it says execute MER on panel view +7 performance. If that's the case, you're going to press cancel. If you needed to, I had already done it, so I'm just going to press cancel so I don't make any changes. But if yours was on something different, you're going to press it and then you're going to press OK. And that's that. That's how you add an existing display to reduce design time, and you can find, replaces, and update communication and configuration along the setting.